Today we're going to share with you 10 easy food swaps that can help you make healthier choices and keep your waistline in check. Can you believe that cutting out just 50 calories a day can lead to losing 5 pounds in a year? It's true. So why not start small and make just one swap today? Also, I'll link to some other helpful resources in the description below this video. Okay, let's dive in. First up, break up with Jasmine. Are you ready to make a simple change that can have a big impact on your diet? Introducing the rice cauliflower versus jasmine rice swap? Trust us, this one's a game changer. By replacing jasmine rice with organic rice cauliflower, you can save a whopping 130 calories per meal. Not only will this swap help you cut calories, but you'll also be filling up on fiber, vitamin C, potassium, and even plant-based protein. And the best part? The texture of rice cauliflower is so similar to rice that you won't even notice the difference. So, next time you're in the mood for a carb-loaded lunch, why not reach for a serving of rice cauliflower instead? Top it with a flavorful red sauce and a sprinkle of cheese for a satisfying and guilt-free meal. Give it a try and let us know what you think. Next, move over Margarita. Do you love to unwind with a drink after a long day? We totally get it. But did you know that some drinks can pack a serious calorie punch? Enter the Margarita versus Merlot swap. By choosing a glass of Merlot over a Margarita, you can save yourself a whopping 188 calories. That's right. 2 margaritas at Applebee's will set you back over 600 calories, but a glass of red wine will only add 122 calories to your daily intake. And the benefits of red wine don't stop there. Drinking a glass of Merlot can also improve your longevity, reduce your risk of heart disease, and even protect your teeth. Talk about a win-win situation. So the next time you're looking for a way to unwind, why not opt for a glass of Merlot instead of a margarita? Cheers to your health and happiness. Next is Crust Conscience. Who doesn't love a delicious slice of pizza? But let's face it, not all pizzas are created equal. Enter the thin crust versus hand-tossed crust swap from Domino's. By choosing the small, crunchy thin crust over the small, hand-tossed crust, you can save yourself a whopping 330 calories. That's right, the hand-tossed crust clocks in at an impressive 820 calories, while the thin crust only adds 420 calories to your daily intake. It's no secret that most pizzas are loaded with refined white flour and salt, 2 ingredients that can increase your cravings and pack on the pounds. But by opting for a thin crust, you can still enjoy your favorite food while being mindful of your calorie intake. So the next time you're craving a hot and cheesy pizza, why not reach for Domino's small, crunchy, thin crust instead of the hand-tossed crust? Not only will you be saving calories, but you'll also be making a smart choice for your health. Enjoy your pizza, guilt-free. Up next is sneaky salad dressing. Did you know that your healthy salad could actually be packing on the pounds, thanks to that delicious dressing? Hidden Valley's Original Ranch, for example, packs a whopping 140 calories in just 2 tablespoons. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Enter Bolthouse Farms Chunky Blue Cheese Yogurt Dressing. With just 35 calories in 2 tablespoons, this dressing is the perfect addition to your healthy salad without the added calories. Balsamic vinegar is another great option. But if the tart flavor isn't to your liking, a little bit of olive oil can do the trick. Just remember, 1 tablespoon of olive oil is 120 calories, so use it sparingly. So the next time you're reaching for dressing, make the smart swap with Bolthouse Farms Chunky Blue Cheese Yogurt Dressing or balsamic vinegar. Enjoy your salad without the added guilt. Next, let's discuss leaving the latte. That's right, we're talking about your morning coffee. We know it's a staple and you can't imagine starting your day without it. But did you know that the average iced vanilla latte is loaded with fat and calories? That's right, a medium iced vanilla latte with 2% milk packs and a whopping 195 calories. But we've got a solution that'll help you save both calories and cash. Try a medium iced coffee with 2% milk, unsweetened. It's a simple yet smart swap that'll only set you back 35 calories. And if you want to take it to the next level, order your coffee black and add the milk yourself. You'll be amazed at how much you'll save, both in calories and dollars. So let's raise a cup to a healthier and more wallet-friendly morning routine. Up next is Zoodles over noodles. Say goodbye to boring, calorie-laden pasta and hello to a lighter, veggie-packed alternative. By swapping out traditional pasta for Zoodles, you're not only saving yourself a whopping 181 calories, but you're also giving your body a dose of fiber and vitamins that it deserves. And the best part? You won't even miss the noodles you once knew. Zoodles have a similar texture to traditional pasta, making it the perfect substitution. So why not give it a try? 1 cup of Zoodles is only 19 calories, while a cup of cooked pasta contains 200. That's a win-win in our book. Next on the list is Go Away Granola. Do you want to start your day off on the right foot? Well, we have the perfect solution for you. Have you ever stopped to think about the kind of cereal you're eating in the morning? It might not seem like a big deal, but it can actually make a huge impact on your calorie intake for the day. This is why we recommend swapping out your sweetened granola for a high-fiber cereal, like Kellogg's All-Bran Original. Now, you might be thinking, but wait, won't my breakfast be bland and boring? Not at all. You can add some cinnamon and fresh berries to your cereal, and voila, you've got a flavorful and satisfying breakfast. By making this simple swap, you'll save yourself 120 calories compared to Kellogg's Special K Granola Touch of Honey. So start your day off right with a nutritious and delicious bowl of cereal. Trust us, your taste buds and waistline will thank you. Up next is Say No to Craisins, who says snacking has to be boring. Not us, and not when you've got juicy, fresh grapes on hand. With just 69 calories per 100 grams, you can enjoy sweet, juicy bites without feeling guilty. But hold the dried cranberries, please. Those little red Craisins pack a whopping 325 calories per 100 grams. That's a difference of 256 calories. So next time you're putting together a snack, reach for the grapes instead. You'll save calories and feel good about what you're putting in your body. Snacking doesn't have to be a guilty pleasure. Make it healthy and satisfying with fresh, juicy grapes. Up next, sip Seltzer to stay slim. So you're at dinner and you're thinking about what to drink to wash down that delicious meal. You might be tempted to reach for a Coke, but let us offer you a better option. Instead, choose a refreshing glass of Seltzer. It's sugar-free, calorie-free, and it has a satisfying fizz that will quench your thirst. And if you're looking for a little extra flavor, why not add a few slices of lemon, lime, or even orange? Trust us, you won't regret it. Not only will you save yourself over 100 calories and 20 grams of sugar, but you'll also feel better about your choice knowing that you're making a healthier decision. So say goodbye to the sugary sodas and hello to a refreshing glass of Seltzer. Your taste buds and waistline will thank you. Next on the list is Bye Bun. So you're craving a delicious burger and you're thinking about treating yourself. We totally understand. But before you reach for that bun, let us introduce you to a healthier option that'll save you over 100 calories. Say hello to the lettuce wrap. With just a single lettuce leaf, your juicy burger with cheese and tomato will come in at less calories. Not only will you save on calories, but you'll also get a tasty, crunchy texture that'll complement the juicy patty and all the delicious toppings. And here's the best part. It's not just a fad. It's actually a popular option at many fast food chains like Shake Shack and In-N-Out. Just ask for your burger protein style or in a lettuce wrap and enjoy a guilt-free burger that'll satisfy your cravings and your waistline. We hope this video was informative and gave you some great tips to make healthier food choices. Remember, small changes can make a big impact when it comes to weight loss. So go ahead and make those food swaps today and enjoy your journey towards a healthier and happier you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful content like this. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you on the next video.